how to fix Xbox app not working or opening on Windows 11. So one of the first things you can do is to go ahead inside your settings. So your device settings. Over here, you can go ahead into the apps, go ahead into installed apps and just search for your Xbox. Here you can go ahead and open up the advanced options and you can try doing this. A reset section, repair, do a reset over here, and you can also reinstall it from here. Technically the first part, which is uninstalling and reinstalling, that works for some users where they just go ahead and uninstall and install the app again. But another thing you can check is directly inside the Microsoft Store. Go here to the downloads or library. Inside library, you should be able to find your Xbox. You can search for it and make sure you are updated to the latest version. So if it doesn't say any kind of update option, then you're on the latest version and you don't need to worry about that. The next thing you can do is to search your services over here, search for services, and you can go ahead and find the Xbox section. You can tap on any program and just press X on your keyboard to bring you to the X section. Now you're gonna have to do this for all the Xbox related things. So Xbox and then Xbox. There's 4. Right click, go to properties and make sure the startup type is all on automatic. And if the service status is stop, just go ahead and press on start over here and press on apply. So do that for all of these. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. It's running already, so we don't need to. Next one, go ahead and automatic, press and apply, press and start again, and one last one, which is Xbox Live Networking Service. Go ahead and press on automatic as the same as before, press and apply, and okay. And one last option you can do is to go ahead and search for your PowerShell in the search bar and make sure you run this as administrator. You can go ahead and right click on it to pretty much do it, but here are the codes you're gonna need. So you'll have this over here. We're gonna go ahead and increase the screen. That didn't really do anything, but it's over here. You're gonna need this and the one at the bottom. So the idea for this is to remove broken gaming services. It will technically open the Microsoft Store and reinstall gaming services. So do the first one first, paste it over here and press on enter. And then the next one over here, go ahead and press on copy. Just copy this, and press on here and just paste. So as you can see, our gaming services is no longer available. We can just go ahead and press and install, press on yes, and once this is done reinstalling, you're gonna have to restart your device. But anyways, those are a few things you can try if your Xbox isn't opening. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.